Hello. Well, here's something I've been thinking about for a while now. I've got some water. I've got some methylated spirits. I've got some kerosene and some two-stroke oil. So what I've been thinking about is, and I've got some fuel. So been thinking, I hear a lot about people saying methylated spirits will remove water from fuel. So I've got jars, clear jars. What I'm going to do is pour some water, some fuel, gas, petrol. I haven't got any two-stroke oil in the fuel. I'm going to pour a little bit of petrol in here, and I'm going to pour a little bit of water in. I'm not measuring it out, it's just bucket measures. And then I'm going to put some methylated spirits in. So we'll set to and do it. So yeah, just clear. I want to see what happens, and if people are right, methylated spirits will remove water from fuel. So just bucket measures. So that's our fuel. That's just ordinary fuel, 91 octane, and I haven't put any two-stroke oil in it yet. So, and that's just ordinary water. So we'll add a wee bit of water. Yeah, you can see the water bubbles. You got a few there, so we'll add a bit more. Alright. Okay, I think you can see that. I'll give that a bit of a stir up. Oh, yep, you can see that. Yeah, so the water's sunk. Okay. Righto. We will open this methylated spirits now. Okay. Right, we'll see what happens. It's interesting. Put the lid on, give it a bit of a shake. Fuel still sitting on top. Methylated spirits has certainly leave that sit for a while. Okay. Certainly emulsified. Yeah. Gone all milky. I'm tempted to try it in an engine. But I haven't really got an engine prepared. Well, that's certainly an interesting thing. Okay. So what I also want to do, I'll get another container. I'll pour some gas in there. Okay, that's just gas. And I will pour some water in there. Yep, you certainly see the water. The fuel is sitting on top. Shake it up a bit. Yeah, you can quite, it doesn't emulsify. Okay. So, what I want to do now is pour some kerosene in it and see what happens. Yeah, that looks interesting. Looks like there's 3 layers. Right, we'll give it a shake up. It looks very interesting. Yeah. Let's focus. Right, there we go. Okay, so it doesn't emulsify. Kerosene doesn't emulsify. Okay. So what we'll do is we shall add some methylated spirits to it. You can certainly see the purple of the methylated spirits in it. Interesting. Some certainly divisions there. I wish this thing would focus. There we go. Yeah, righto, we'll shake that up. So that still hasn't emulsified. Okay. You can clearly see it hasn't emulsified, so I wonder if it hasn't got enough methylated spirits to it. Okay, we'll add some more. I wonder if you need more methylated spirits than you do water. Yeah, okay, I'll get that out of the way. I think that's Okay. Yeah. It's still got layers there. So the water's still sitting on the bottom. I think there'll be the fuel and kerosene on top. You can quite clearly see the methylated spirits down the very bottom. Oh, that's interesting. Alright. So that emulsifies there, but yeah, you can quite clearly see the on the top there. Interesting, there's 3 layers. We've got the meths on the bottom, and then we've got the water. Yeah. Interesting that it goes through a bit of a change. You can see the layer forming. That'll be the fuel layer. Then the milky layer down the bottom, I think, is the water. And then you got the methylated spirits right on the bottom. But then it changes again. Yeah, all the bubbles go away. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but it definitely shows 3 layers there. Right, we'll have a look at this other one. Very gentle. Here we are. That one there is the methylated spirits, water and fuel. So I don't know what is happening there. Somebody smarter than me will be able to tell me. It's certainly separated. So that emulsifies when you shake it up. So I don't know. Does methylated spirits work in when an engine's got water in it? Fuel system. Notice that doesn't change as quick. Yeah. Now that's interesting. It is changing, but it's very, very slow. Wow. Now if we leave that one there, yeah, you can clearly see the layers. Purple on the bottom, and then the clear-ish on the top of that. So I don't think methylated spirits actually works in that. I should have brought down some, just a drop or 2 of, got some dishwash there. I'll try that. Right, there you go. Good old sunlight dishwash. We'll try that. Okay. We'll see what happens. I normally use the sunlight just for seating tyres. be enough. Okay. See if it works on fuel. Right. Okay. You can still see the layers. The dishwash apparently has got surfactants in it which makes things amalgamate a bit better. Yeah, see, that's definitely got 3 layers. You've got the methylated spirits, the water bubbles, and then the clear on top of that. So that dishwash didn't do a thing. Okay. Give it a good shake. See, if it went like that, then I think you might be able to run it. Well, that certainly changes pretty quick with the kerosene on it. You can see it, the levels there, the layers. Interesting. I don't know if I would use methylated spirits to try to dispel water. Yeah. That's very interesting. Wow. So, yeah. Well, ain't that interesting? Well, yeah, that's just a wee experiment that I've often wanted to know about. Does methylated spirits really work to dispel water out of fuel? It doesn't appear that it does work. Yeah. Alright guys, well, yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Alright. That's interesting. Alright, bye for now.